Hi everyone. Are you struggling to erase a USB drive on your Mac? Do you keep running into that frustrating error 69877 couldn't open device message in disk utility? You're definitely not alone. This is a common and very annoying problem for many Mac users. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some proven solutions. We will get that stubborn drive formatted and ready to use again. This error usually means disk utility can't get exclusive access to the drive. It might be mounted by another process, or there could be a minor corruption in its partition table. Sometimes, it's just a simple software glitch. Other times, it needs a bit more of a forceful approach. Our first step is to try the simplest fixes. Always start with these. First, disconnect your USB drive and then reconnect it. Sometimes a simple replug is all it takes. Next, try restarting your Mac completely. A fresh start can clear up many temporary software issues. Also, make sure no files from the USB drive are currently open or in use. Close everything down. Then, open Disk Utility. Make sure you select the top-level drive in the sidebar, not just the volume or partition on it. If you see an unmount button, click it first. Then try the erase command. If that doesn't work, our second solution involves running first aid. Before trying to erase, select the top-level drive in Disk Utility again. Then click First Aid and let it run. This tool can often repair minor directory errors that might be preventing the erase operation. After First Aid finishes, try erasing the drive again. If Disk Utility still gives you trouble, it's time for our third and often most powerful solution, using Terminal. Open Terminal from Applications, Utilities, Terminal. First, you need to identify your USB drive. Type diskutil list and press Enter. Carefully look through the list that appears. Find your USB drive based on its size and name. It will usually be listed as something like /dev/disk2 or /dev/disk3. Be extremely careful here. Erasing the wrong disk will lead to permanent data loss on your Mac. Once you've positively identified your drive, we need to unmount it. Type diskutil unmount disk /dev/diskx, replacing diskx with your actual disk identifier, for example, disk2. Press Enter. Finally, to erase the disk, type sudo diskutil erase disk jhfs plus my USB /dev/diskx and press Enter. Again, replace diskx with your drive's identifier. You can change jhfs plus to another format like apfs or FAT32 if you prefer. You can also change my USB to your desired name for the drive. The sudo command will ask for your administrator password. Type it in and press Enter. You won't see characters as you type, which is normal for security. This command is very powerful and usually forces the erase. If, after all these steps, your drive still won't cooperate, our fourth solution is to try another computer. If you have access to another Mac or even a Windows PC, try formatting the drive there. Sometimes a different operating system can successfully format a particularly stubborn drive. Once it's formatted on another machine, you can bring it back to your Mac and reformat it to your preferred macOS format if needed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope one of these methods helped you successfully fix your problematic USB drive. If it did, please let me know in the comments section below. Your feedback is super helpful for other viewers facing the same issue. If you found this video useful and informative, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips, tutorials, and solutions. It truly helps the channel grow and allows me to create more content for you. See you in the next video.